And Bitong, clear nose. This is 3-star point and extra point. So this point is at the start of nasolabial fold. So outside of your nostril, how do you call this? In this outside of nose, you can locate LI20. This is LI20. And right above those point, where nasolabial folds start, here is Bitong. And there are many ways of inserting the acupuncture needle at this point. Through the nostril. This is one way, one of the popular way. And you can insert the needle from here to LI20. Or in the other hand, you can insert from here, LI20 to Bitong. 3 different ways. Or you can just give perpendicular acupuncture. And then 4 different ways. So there can be many ways, but many practitioners use this first method to nostril. And its sensation is very strong. I have a lot of children patients with allergic rhinitis, fevers. I use those points a lot, but many kids start to cry when I insert the needle there. So try to use very fine needle. It says vertically toward the center of, this is the first method. And Bitong's modern addition to extra point is commonly used to treat nose disorders. Okay. So it says through needling from Inxiang LI20. This is the way you needling. If you use fine needle like 0.12 or 0.15, it will be okay, not that painful. Here's a very interesting article about this point, Bitong. This is from official journal from American Pediatric Association. The double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled trial of acupuncture for the treatment of childhood persistent perennial allergic rhinitis. This is not seasonal, very persistent allergic rhinitis, and you have a lot of patients with this problem in California. So you will have a lot of chance to use this point. And let's see how this wonderful research says about Bitong and allergic rhinitis. In this article, they used the Bitong here. This is Bitong, and they used 0.25 millimeter. This is a relatively thicker needle when you try to apply on the face. Those point was used with 0.7 and 1.2 centimeter penetration. Wow, about a centimeter is deep. And if you search this article, you can see all the details, what kind of method they used, and actually they used electroacupuncture too. But the result was very good. Please consider this was a perennial persistent allergic rhinitis. They started at this point, they kept the treatment around how many days? 20 days, 20 days, maybe 50 days or 60 days. It seems like they applied acupuncture 60 days. That means 2 months, right? 20 days, 20 days, so 60 days. When they started the treatment, this is a sham acupuncture. That means placebo acupuncture, fake acupuncture. There's not much of change of symptoms. But with the real acupuncture, the symptoms getting improved throughout the treatment session, 2 months. But most interesting part is after 2 months, even though they stopped the treatment, improved the symptom lasted about how many days? 60 days. 60 days. So even if you finish the acupuncture, improve the symptoms, continue more than 2 or 3 months, and that is a very promising result. But sadly, this research concluded that there was no statistical significance between those 2 groups. If you are interested in allergic rhinitis, please refer to this article, and this is very good, well-written research. I will upload this in the file section too.